To trade up-down options on Crypto.com, you need to understand the basics of options trading and the platform's interface. Start by opening your Crypto.com account and navigating to the derivatives section. First, ensure you have sufficient funds in your account to trade, as options trading requires a margin. Then, select the asset you want to trade, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and choose the time frame for your option, which can range from 1 minute to 1 week. Next, decide whether you think the price of the asset will go up or down. If you think it will go up, you buy a call option, and if you think it will go down, you buy a put option. When buying an option, you need to set the amount you want to invest in the strike price, which is the price at which the option can be exercised. The premium is the cost of the option, and it is deducted from your account balance. After setting the parameters, review your order and confirm the trade. If your prediction is correct, and the price moves in the direction you predicted, you can close the option and receive the payout. However, if the price moves against you, you will lose the premium you paid. It is essential to manage your risk by setting a budget and not investing more than you can afford to lose. To get the most out of trading up-down options on Crypto.com, it is crucial to stay up to date with market news and analysis, and to develop a trading strategy that works for you. This includes setting clear goals, managing your risk, and continuously learning and improving your trading skills. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively trade up-down options on Crypto.com and potentially earn significant returns on your investments.